Alright guys, if you have a Onn Roku TV model 100044717, 75-inch or similar, and you're looking to repair your television, you're going to take off that bottom panel right there, all right? And all I simply did was unscrew the holes at the top there. Then the ones on the side, I unscrewed them and I've taken them out. Then there are more screws located at the bottom here. All right. So the ones on the side that I showed you and on the bottom, all right, I just kind of placed them. I just put them in order as I took them off, because I've done this a few times in the past, and sometimes manufacturers will use different length screws. So that's why I did that like that. But what you're going to want to do, depending upon what it is that's going on with your board, you're going to want to open it up and confirm the model numbers. I'm not going to touch it because I don't have a ground strap on, but you want to confirm the model numbers of each board. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and replace all three boards, but you just want to confirm the model numbers of each board, order your kit, and you know, get everything changed out. So looking at it, I'm assuming this is the power board. All right, and then this is the TCON board, TCON, and I'm gonna say this is the TCON board, and this is your motherboard right here. That's what I'm guessing. But whatever kits you decide to get, I will link in the description where I'm getting my kit from, so you guys can check your model numbers. All right, and this must be the Wi-Fi card right here. Gonna make sure you check your model numbers and make sure you order the correct one. I don't see the LCD, not LCD, but yeah, the LCD lights on here. I'm assuming it's probably up under here, but I don't have an issue with the LCD. As a matter of fact, yep, that's what I thought. It's a capacitor, because whenever I turned it on, I heard a whistling noise. I've done this in the past before, and you can kind of see that capacitor is kind of bulging up right there. That's how you know that thing is going bad. So I probably will be just ordering this power board. So I don't see anything else that jumps out at me. The smaller capacitors are good here, yeah. So I'm probably gonna order the whole kit just in case. I think I found it for like 75 bucks or something like that online, or 80 bucks, something like that. And so, but yeah, that is definitely what the problem is. That capacitor is bulging. It's going bad. So I think I was gonna say, you know, if you're a solderer, you know, you can just get the correct size capacitor and resolder it if you want. That'll definitely be cheaper, but I don't feel like soldering. I'll just order everything, pop the cables off, and unscrew the board and get the board back in there. But just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. It's very easy. Don't go out to purchase a new television. I think at the time we might have paid anywhere between $300 to $400 for this. We got this maybe like 3 4 years ago. from Walmart. So yeah, don't go out and purchase another one. It's really simple for you. Maybe I'll do a part two showing me changing out this board as well. So all right, guys, just trying to be helpful to the community. All right, you guys have a good one. Peace.